Hello my YouTube friends, OBS is an incredibly powerful open source live streaming platform. Today I'll show you the 5 tricks that will enhance your live broadcasts and make OBS easier to use. And number 5 is gonna blow your mind, so stick around. Let's get to it! If you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you don't miss any new content. Trick 1. Easy crop. Adding a guest to OBS is one of the best features, and this first trick will make it easy to set up in your layout. If you use an overlay, great. If not, no problem. Just add your guest window using window or screen capture. Then hold the Alt key and drag the box to the crop you want. Then you can resize this box and move it into any position. Here's a pro tip. Some conferencing software, I'm looking at Skype, will change the size of the box depending upon the bandwidth the user has. To make sure the box keeps the size you set, right-click on the source and go to Transform and then Edit Transform. Then set the bounding box to scale to inner bounds, click OK, and you're all set. Trick number 2, custom chat panel. Are you always missing chat because you have to move between multiple screens during your live stream? Well, this trick will help you stay more engaged with your audience and let you spend a lot less time flipping screens. You can add your YouTube chat right into your OBS dashboard, and it's really easy. First, go into the stream, pop out the chat, and copy the URL. Second, go into OBS, select View, then Docs, and select Custom Browser Docs. I'll call this one Chat, and then just paste in the URL here and click Apply. Now a new chat window should appear. You can just drag this to dock it wherever you want in your OBS overlay. It's so easy. Trick number 3, audio processing. This trick can really improve the quality of your audio, and it's so easy. First, select the audio you want to improve in the scenes and right-click it and select Filters. Then click the plus and select Compressor. The compressor will do just what it says. It will compress the waveform volume so the highs won't be too high and your lows will be less low. This can really improve sensitive microphones that are peaking a lot. In my experience, the default settings work well and you don't need to fiddle with them. Your audience will definitely thank you. Second, you want to click the plus again and select Noise Gate. This will control your mic to eliminate background noise. It works by turning on when you're talking and turning way down when you're not. The default setting seems to work great on this one too. It really is that easy to dramatically improve the microphone audio quality in OBS. Trick number 4, color correction. You can improve the look of your camera or webcam in OBS using these awesome built-in tools. Right-click on your camera and select Filters. Now, click the plus under Effect Filters and select Color Correction. You can adjust the gamma, contrast, brightness, saturation, and hue of your image to your liking. Once you have your image all set up, you can go one step further. Click the plus under Effect Filters and select Apply LUT. Now browse to the location of your favorite artistic look and apply the LUT to your camera. This is a great way to get a completely custom look to your live streams or recordings. Trick number 5, assign a specific transition. You can control which transitions are used when switching specific scenes in OBS. This is a great way to add multiple custom transitions to your live stream. All you have to do is right-click on the scene, select Transition Override, and pick the transition you want to use to go to that scene. Now, every time you switch to that scene, it will use the selected transition. You can do this for every scene so all your transitions are different. Super cool. Got a cool trick in OBS that will help people? Leave it in the comments and let us know. Want to learn how to create custom transitions for your live streams? check this video out. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Fire Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.